has a lot of the latest technology to support the high-speed rail trend as well as the infrastructure. According to the local requirement, they will design differently the technical aspect of the trend so that it could be adapted to the local requirement
and weather.
And in terms of cost, quality, and also the project management, they could very well manage the project. This is the experience that the France has gained since 1990. So
for your information, total length of high-speed rail around the world is 10,000 kilometers.
10,000 kilometers.
6,000 kilometers
6,000 kilometers
are built using French technology.
Are built using French technology.
This means 60%.
This means
60%
60%
of high-speed rail projects
are using the French technology. This is the first point that why we should choose France as the developer for our high-speed rail project. The second point is
developer, contractor or vendor, yeah?
The contractor
or vendor
for the project. The second point is the quality of the engineering design of France. They have a lot of researchers working on the latest technology of the high-speed rail, especially in the signaling system and as well as the railway, the rolling stock, everything related to the high-speed rail. So even though the price could be slightly very high compared to China, Japan, but the higher price in the return is the quality of the product, of the service, for the project.
For your information, the design philosophy of French high-speed rail is built to last. Therefore, we assure you,
you could reduce the maintenance cost after we implement the project. It could be a cost saving if we look further in the future. The third point is the technology used by the French company. The technology used by the French companies, because at the back they have a team of very experienced, skillful engineers which are working on the different parts, technical side of the whole project. For example, there are some working on the cross-bordering model that we could see the model which has been well implemented between France, England, and Belgium, so that the Eurostar train could travel through several countries without any visa or the passport issue. So we could see that until today, there's no security problem which was happened to the Eurostar line in Europe. And then after that, what is important is that Malaysians...
What is important
for our future is that the France could transfer their technology to our local Malaysian engineers, so that we could have our own technology to develop our own project by Malaysians.
For your information, Alstom has been in the forefront of technology transfer in Malaysia.
Alstom has been in the forefront
of technology transfer
of technology transfer to
Malaysian companies.
An example of this
is the involvement of Alstom in our power generation industry.
Manjong 4 and 5 in Perak.
Yes.
So from 3 points that I mentioned, we have the confidence that the French technology.
No. Wait. Another one. Another example is the LRT.
Is the LRT.
LRT line built by TUV.
LRT line built by TUV.
TUV, right?
It's not TUV actually. For the LRT line, Colas Rail.
Colas is French, right?
Yeah, French.
Yes.
Colas Rail Consortium has just been awarded to the track system of the LRT3. MRT2. Sorry, MRT2.
What is the company name of that Patla's son?
SCOMI.
Yes.
SCOMI is a local.
Yes. Yeah. As a result of partnership with SCOMI, Colas has transferred technology to SCOMI. And SCOMI is now building LRT system in India. This is an example of the success of transfer
of technology of French companies to Malaysia.
Yes.
Therefore,
the Chinese and the Japanese will not be as helpful as us.
Therefore, we urge Malaysian government and the decision maker to select France as the developer,
the contractor
for the high-speed rail project for our country. Thank you.